Hi, and welcome to the video training of PHP. In this video training, we will be learning how to execute an external program using PHP exec function. We will create a Linux process using PHP. I hope that you will learn something and enjoy. So here you go. First we have the external code .php. Okay. So first we have the process variable, and here we are creating external code equals exec, and here we are going to create a compress.zip file and compress all contents of directories and subdirectories, and then we are going to print if there is an output from the above command. We are going to print that output to the user here. Similarly, we are going to repeat this, but this time we are going to see the directory contents. ls-alh will return us the directory contents. Now if we will go to the browser and run this, you see the first command of compression, this one, gave an output adding index.php deflated 45%. So a compressed file has been created and it has been compressed 45%. Secondly, here is the directory contents. This directory only have one file, that is index.php. So if we go to that folder, you will see I have compress.zip. There is only one file, index.php. Now let's create another file called techweber.txt. Now we have another file. If I go to the browser and run it again, you see now we have another file called techweber.txt. So basically this code returns different outputs, and we can use those outputs to make decisions within our program. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel TechWeber. You can also contact me if you need any help. Thanks.